hope everyone is ready for the new year of 2024. Let's go ahead and get started with another Python coding challenge. So today I am actually starting on a new area on the platform. I will be going through the Pro Code Review Challenges. And what these are giving you a snippet of code, and what you are supposed to do is fix the error in the code so that the program runs successfully and does what is intended. So I will go ahead and leave a link down in the description in case you guys want to check out the platform. But let's go ahead and get started with the instructions. It is called dictionary manipulation, and here is the problem. The task of the following code is to count the frequency of words in the list, storing the counts in a dictionary, and print the most common word. Identify and fix the error. So you see we are given a code here that has a list that contains words, which are strings, and then they have an empty dictionary, and what they're doing is they're looping through the list of words, and they are attempting to increment the count. And at the bottom here, they are returning the max and printing out that variable. So first thing I think we should do is run the code and see what actually happens to figure out what the error is. So I'm going to do that down in the terminal here. Wait, let me pop this out so it looks a little better at least. Okay, so let's run that down here in the terminal. Okay, so right now it is returning a key error, which is Apple. And the error is on the line here in their for loop, where they are attempting to set the new value of the word. The issue I see here is they're not grabbing the value correctly. When you're grabbing the value of a key in a dictionary, we need to use that get function. So let's go ahead and change that and see if that will correct the issue here. So right here, and when they're setting the value, we're going to change this and use the get method to actually grab the value of each word. So let's go ahead and remove this. And we'll say .get. And inside get, since we're incrementing each word, we want to say get the value of the particular word we're on in the loop. And then if it's not in the dictionary, we are going to give it the default value of 0. So if it's not there, it automatically be 0. So it don't have an error. So if it's not there, it'll be 0. But then since we're adding 1, it'll be equal to 1 when you first come across that word. So that is how you would grab that particular word, get the value, and increment it. So let's go ahead and run it again and see if that corrected the issue. Right down here, just gonna push the up arrow, and we are getting cherry, which should be the max word. And as you see in the list, cherry is the most frequent word here. It's 3. This wasn't too bad. Let me know if you were able to figure out the error. I probably should have had you pause it and figure it out before I told you the answer. But anyway, let me know if you were able to find the error. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.